Picture it, a night sky dotted with countless galaxies, each made of hundreds of billions of stars. For astronomers, these are the ancient beacons of the universe, islands scattered across the cosmic ocean, slowly evolving and changing, but always there. But what happens when one of those islands simply disappears, as if struck by an eraser across the fabric of space? In the early 2000s, astronomers started noticing something odd in archival photographs of deep space. Galaxies marked and catalogued with all the precision of a master librarian appeared in decades-old plates, unmistakably bright in the night. But when telescopes swiveled back to those exact coordinates years later, those same galaxies had vanished without a trace. At first, this might sound like a clerical error, a quirk of imaging, or perhaps a blink of cosmic dust. But as the disappearances multiplied, the scientific community grew uneasy. Dozens, possibly hundreds, of such vanishings crept into the data. Was something interfering with the light? Something unimaginable in scale? You might be picturing the cinematic destruction of a Death Star, but what's happening here, or what appears to be happening, isn't just a few stars exploding. Entire galaxies, collections of hundreds of billions of stars, clouds of dust, possibly planets and life, are gone. There's no glare of supernovae, no echo of black holes feasting, no gamma-ray burst waving goodbye. Only an eerie emptiness, like a whisper erased. For generations, cosmology has had a simple comfort. Galaxies change, but they don't simply cease. When galaxies merge, they leave behind tangled traces. When their stars die, old embers burn on. So how do you explain a cosmic vanishing act? Some theorists point to the possibility of false positives, that perhaps these objects were bizarre, never-before-seen outbursts, flaring into visibility for a moment and then fading back to darkness. But their locations, shapes, and repeated observations all point to the reality. These were bona fide, persistent galaxies. Others wonder if massive black holes have somehow folded the very fabric of space, trapping all light in a way we've never observed before. But our most sensitive detectors, X-rays, radio waves, even gravitational wave observatories, register nothing. Quiet, stillness. There are whispers in hushed corners of astrophysics departments about more outlandish explanations. Some posit a hidden form of matter or energy, a force so subtle and pervasive, it can, on rare occasions, destroy or conceal an entire galaxy. Others suggest we're witnessing quantum events on a macro scale, entanglements or phase shifts that jump a galaxy, almost science fiction-like, from one reality to another. Are we glimpsing cosmic strings or wormholes snaking through space-time? One team of scientists, determined not to be fooled by data artifacts, has begun a worldwide project, carefully comparing historical and modern deep sky images, pixel by pixel, star by star. Old observatory plates, crackling with radioactive decay, are reanalyzed using machine learning algorithms, seeking the faintest trace of these vanished shapes. Their findings? Even when they rule out technical errors, galaxies seem to vanish at a statistically impossible rate. The disappearances don't cluster around known hazards like black holes or explosive nebula. They're just gone. Could these missing galaxies be cloaked, hidden behind vast, invisible veils of dark matter or energy? But dark matter, by its very name, is detectable only by its gravitational pull. If these galaxies still exerted their own unique gravities, nearby stars and galaxies would dance to their tune, subtly drawn into ghostly orbits. Yet in each case, those neighboring cosmic dancers seem unperturbed. No invisible puppet master, no hidden mass. Some, reaching for poetic answers, wonder, is the cosmos rewriting itself? Is our universe one of many, and sometimes the boundaries between realities fray, erasing bits and pieces of our shared starry memory? It is a thought as chilling as it is fantastical. At the very edge of our understanding, some researchers are even collaborating with mathematicians who study the topology of the universe. Could the cosmic fabric itself be tearing, forming holes through which matter irretrievably slips away? For now, the mystery deepens.